is just so clear. I know. I wonder how deep that is. Isn't this amazing? In this episode, we're headed off to check out some places that would make good day trips if you're in the southern UP, Michigan. First up on our day trip is Kitch-iti-Kipi. It's located just west of Indian Lake and is a hop, skip, and a jump away from US 2, which is the main east-west road in southern UP. We're taking a little bit of a detour from fishing today. A little bit of gale force winds kind of stopped us there. But we're visiting Kitch-iti-Kipi today, and we're going to take you along.
Yep.
Kitch-iti-Kipi is Michigan's largest freshwater spring and part of the Palms Book State Park. A raft is available to go across the spring, but the day we went, it was rather crowded and we chose to observe it from the short trail. If you do take the raft though, you'll be able to see a lot more through the open middle of the raft. It's just so clear.
Look at the bottom though.
I know. I wonder how deep that is.
Look at the bottom.
The center of the spring is over 40 feet deep, though the water was so clear it looked like half that depth. This spring pumps in 10,000 gallons every minute, which is why the water is so crystal clear. The water is said to be a constant 45 degrees year-round, which seems to be just perfect for those tons of trout lazily swimming around. There are many places where you can find where the water is bubbling up from the bottom. It's mesmerizing to watch. Alright, Kitch-iti-Kipi. A good stop. A good, very quick little detour. Worth coming to. Next on our day trip is a short drive out to Manistique to check out their Boardwalk and Lighthouse.
Every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You
We packed up at Fayette State Park and began to head east again. We're looking for a campground with decent internet service, since the next several days are going to have lots of rain and wind. Right. We drove through Indian Lake State Park. It seemed quite nice, and sites had electric, although no water and sewer. Many sites also had beautiful lake views, and there seemed to be enough internet to be dangerous. But we wanted to go a little bit further. On our way back to Route 31, we stopped at a place for a late lunch called Moofinfries. We were able to fit our truck camper and boat in here to stop, which was great. We don't take video in restaurants, but I will say that if you're headed around to Nobbin Way, definitely plan on lunch here. It's like Five Guys, but with locally sourced beef and fish, and an all-around relaxing vibe. And they have ice cream too. We ended up stopping at Hog Island State Forest Campground. This is a rustic campground, so it has vault toilets and a hand pump for water. And that's just fun since we topped off at Fayette. No, it could work. Do we want to go back and check it? We're at Hog Island State Forest Campground. We're staying here for a day or so. It's a beautiful day, but tomorrow's going to be maybe less than awesome. So decided to move a little bit east and catch some different sights. We'll show you our campsite for the night, maybe two. We're kind of nestled in here. We wanted to be as close to the sun for our solar panels, so we just kind of parked right in. It's a really long campsite, so that's kind of cool. But the best part is the backyard. Check this out. Isn't this amazing? I think this view is worth $20 a night. Wow. Wow. This is awesome. And just us. Freaking amazing! And check our rig out. Just peeking. Where? Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, we're checking this out. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you stop by next week as we head into Lower Michigan. See you then.